Ka Tata Curve, ka trendsetter SUV ka bawandar kalapoy hasalong. One ban test drive ka coupe SUV paninggong ekari ani pila ban phone ikin number bala ay harum. Kiprangut ki Samla Puli MD Homeopathy jaga North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy niya. Ilapan long ni kajeki daga basyang syatngan klem bopor kablas dang ladok arpun teri unaiwing ban prosya ek jing lebam sunyo ki bor bahalor banyak ren halor ki lightly ki jing e jongki. Ki lightly ki jing e jongki Samla Puli ki kentup ye ka jing bam siu ye ka bainong na ka bentashi snem baladep ka jing bam pat ye so ye ka jing Puli MD Homeopathy lai snem jaga PG bat ka nehu bat ka jing bam la ban ai ye ka jing penyat ka balapatha na ka National Commission for Homeopathy. Habekren makinong thok hubor kite ki prangut ki lai rai kut ban beteng bet ye ka hi jongki tat hadu pakabor penyai kan ai ka jing tho jingkular bagin pelai no ye ka bainong jongki ka ba shisnam bat ban shim kya mardor ban penyaso no bat kanehu. Uswarap Singh ubadi usamla Puli jang Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery uloong makabor penyai ka ban penbekloy ki jinge jong ka MD Homeopathy. Uloong ba baro arngur u director in charge but u deputy director ki don Delhi haba ke institute ka don haka jinge. Lab mengkadobi ki Samla Puli jang Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery but ke Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery haka singi pale ki lapan long ya ki hakmat ko office u director jang kania ban kershan ki Samla Puli MD Homeopathy ki blasong shatngan hapo ka office ka badon hamau diang na do ka arpun trik mentau benai.
First is they have not disbursed our stipend since 1 year, so we want our payment because we have worked 1 year hard here in hospital and we are not paid yet. First grievances is this. Second is we are not yet affiliated from the NEHU as said by in the institute that they are affiliated by NEHU, but they are not. And the third is they have not allotted guide to us. According to NCH norms, they have to allot us guide. They have not yet allotted. These are the three grievances for which we are here. Since April we are pursuing them. We have written letters, we have the receivings of that applications and all. Last time September when we are holding protest, so director came and he reassured about 2 months. He said in 2 months we will get the affiliation and you will get the stipend also. But till date it's been more than 2 months, 2.5 months, yet we are not getting any stipend and any affiliation yet.
This is for your PG?
Yeah, this is for MD Homeopathy.
Okay.
No, this is the first batch of our, and there is no second batch. This is the also uncertainty. We are uncertain about our future because there is no next batch admission. So we are the first, and we don't know we may be the last batch here.
So how many of you?
We are 8 of us.
कि हमारे ग्रीवेंसेस जल्दी से जल्दी सॉल्व करने की कोशिश किया जाए as soon as possible. वर्बल नहीं, हमको रिटर्न में चाहिए. हमको वर्बल एश्योरेंस, हम 1 साल से यहाँ पर हैं, हमको वर्बल एश्योरेंस मिल रहा है. वी वांट इन रिटर्न.
Will you continue with your hunger strike till your demands?
Yes, we will continue our hunger strike till that date we didn't get our stipend. After stipend, after stipend and affiliation.
Kumpetitif kania kadon hapo Meghalaya but 50% admission nakabenta ka UG kumjuru nakabenta ka PG kata ka MD ki shim 50% North East 50% na All India ne te don ki khana ro ki ba na North East hi kila wan puli hang ni kila treshitom kila sacrifice ya kasnem jam ki sisnem arsnem man prepare lang baka exam ban yo ban wan yo admission hang ni ti ki PG jongi ki bapuli MD ki postgraduate ki claim yo stipend hadu mentaru kila tre ha hospital kila hikai ru yangi ti ki claim yo stipend la sisnem lenter mentah ka affiliation bat kani huru ki khampat affiliate ki claim aya ki surety ba kani ka kamba kitre kanam le no kan ki suso long sep no kanika bawan jongki hang ne nang ta kabalai pede bakim don guide kim don nong hikai kumangiru ha college kim don hi ki proper nong hikai yakile khamtam kaba kila le chakhamat temo kila puli MDA te kidon kam bhai ki guide kidon kam bhai ki nong hikai ban kan long scam kataka lawe jongki titang kita hilai teli bangidon kam guide ngidon kam sorkar bakan ai ka stipend but ngidan kamru ya ka ayu ka affiliation but kanihu ki seniors ki ong ru ba ki kidang dan haka hangga strike menta ki seniors ki ong ba anda ki ai ka stipend tan anda ki ai ka stipend te kin sange no ya ka hangga strike hande kin dang yale be ya ka hangga strike ya ka affiliation te kidang la hi ban up kinang le hi ka protest hande ya ka hangga strike ki ong ba kin sange tan anda la yo ya ka stipend.
Yeah, actually there is a national exam. They have given national exam for admission in PG homeopathy. Then they took admission. Their classes was started from December 2023. So the rule by NCH, National Council of Homeopathy, is that within 3 months they have to be registered in the respected university. Our university is NEHU. So our college didn't have the affiliation from NEHU for this course. In spite of this is a National Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, and also the NC's provision is that within 6 months they should have guide of their own for their respective subject, but they don't have guide also, and if they don't have the affiliation, then they are not getting the stipend also. For more than 1 year they are working here without a stipend, and this is very shame for a national institution that we have to face such things here. And they have passed the national exam. They had gone through all of the requisite counseling processes. They have done everything they can do as a student, but here there is no mistake in of that. Everything is mistake of the administration and everyone who is responsible for these sort of things. So I urge to solve this matter as quickly as possible. Thank you.
पहुंचेगी कि नहीं? हमारी मांगे, हमारी मांगे, हमारी मांगे, हमारी मांगे. We want, we want, we want, we want, we want. हमारी मांगे. होता है का भाव